I planted 2 tonto crepe myrtles on April 1st this year. It is June and they still have not started to grow any leaves. Is there something I should do? They are both about 4 feet tall and have several stems that are branching out at the top. I followed the planting directions and have been watering them regularly. I peeled the bark back in several places and it's bright green, so the trees are not dead. Should I expect anything from them this year? And this is Todd from Mayodan, North Carolina. So Todd is actually putting in a lot of work.
Yeah.
He knows to water them. He's been following the directions. He peeled the bark back.
I'm glad he said that.
See, yeah, that's good. So there's green tissue.
Right.
What is the problem though, you think? What could potentially be the problem, Jessie?
I'm thinking they were just planted a little too late. In general, you want to plant your shrubs and trees in the fall. So I'm thinking maybe he just got these started a little bit late and they need more time. And as long as he's doing the scratch test and it's green under there, just keep just waiting on them. I think they'll be okay.
Yeah, what do you think?
Give it some more time and you should start to see some leaves develop.
Yeah, I think you just have to be patient, right? April the 1st. I mean, it's okay.
It's not that long.
It's not that long ago, right? So just give them a little time. I'm sure with the warm weather there in North Carolina, yeah, it'll take off pretty quick. For them.
Just keep watering it.
Keep watering it, right? Maybe it came with fertilizer. You know, depending on the gallon container that it was in, they're usually already fertilized, so that's probably already taken care of. Just keep it watered. Keep checking on it. Warmer temperatures, I think it'll be fine.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.